This is my speaking test, and I will talk about my strengths and weakness in English. Also, I will talk about if I feel ready for the next term. Well, my weaknesses in English are mostly from listening skills and speaking skills. I think the main problem with those two skills is pronunciation. The thing I don't know how to pronunciate words makes my listening like really hard, because if I don't know how to say a word, I don't know how it listens. So if I hear that word, I can't know what word it is because I don't know how a word is pronounced. For example, I used to pronounce castle as castle, so if I heard castle, I wouldn't know that it was referring to a castle. I was expecting to hear castle, so it was like really difficult for me, and I think it's my main problem with those two. If I don't know how to pronunciate words, I don't know how to hear them also. But I also have problems with listening, because while I hear an audio, I just try to hear everything, and sometimes I lose the, well, I just don't search for the information I have to search. For example, in the listening exercises, sometimes I just hear all and I miss the part that says the answer to the question, so I have to concentrate more, I think. Well, my strengths are mostly for writing and reading. I think my reading is, well, okay, but my writing can be better because I think I'm good at grammar. I'm very good at finding out the category, the syntaxis, the syntactical function, and the grammar category from words. So for me to order those words in a sentence, or to identify if they are written badly, isn't that difficult for me. So I think grammar is one of my strengths. Also writing, because I don't tend to use words from Spanish. I like to think in English when I speak in English, when I write in English. So sometimes when I just stop writing in English, I'm thinking in English, and when I speak Spanish, I'm still thinking in English, so I speak like really, really strange. But the thing is that when I write, I can't, well, I don't tend to use like Spanish sentences or forms to form sentences. Well, I do feel prepared to take the next term, because I think I may not be like the best at every skill, but I think I can improve, because at this I have learned a lot since I entered, and I have improved, because when I entered I didn't knew a lot, really. I didn't knew a lot, so I think I can keep up with the rest of the classroom, and well, I'm doing my best at English, I think. So I do feel ready to take the next course, although it may be like a little, well, a way more difficult from this one. In either way, I expect to learn a lot, and with that, to improve. Thanks.